When will this be done? Can we add this small feature? Why wasn't this included? Sound familiar? These questions haunt freelancers and agency owners' dreams and derail profitable projects. Look, managing client expectations isn't just about saying no. It's about creating clarity from day one that prevents these questions from ever being asked. I'm Daniel, and today I'm going to show you how I use transparent dashboards to set, manage, and exceed client expectations without the constant back and forth that kills my agency's productivity. By the end of this video, you'll have my proven system, which has helped my agency reduce status update requests by 72% and cut scope creep conversations in half. Let's face it, client expectation problems rarely start at the end of a project. They start at the beginning with unclear boundaries and communication gaps. This is where a client portal becomes your expectation management command center. A client portal creates a single source of truth for both you and your clients. A dedicated space where project details, communication, and approvals all live together. But not all client portals are created equal. The key is finding one that balances transparency with boundaries. Let me show you the features I look for to create this perfect balance. Personally, I love the project command center from SuperOK. It's a transparent dashboard that gives clients visibility without overwhelming them. Here's how I set it up. Just start with one of the many client portal templates offered. Create a clear task list that breaks down the project and sets due dates. Use this timeline feature so clients can see exactly what's being worked on, and create a coming next section so clients know what to expect. This is so powerful because your clients can check progress at any time without interrupting your team. This self-service approach has reduced the just checking in messages I've received by 72%. The second pillar of expectation management is proactive communication. SuperOK's tools also help you stay ahead of client questions. Just set up automated status updates that go out even when there's nothing new to report. Use @mentions to loop clients into specific conversations without overwhelming them. Create contextual comment threads tied directly to deliverables, and customize notification settings so clients get updates that matter. The key insight here is that silence breeds anxiety. When clients don't hear from you, they assume something is wrong. These proactive updates create confidence even when your head's down working. Even with perfect communication, scope changes happen. This is where a scope force field becomes your boundary enforcer. Here's how to implement it. Create detailed scope documents that clearly define what's included and what's omitted. Use SuperOK's approval workflow to lock documents once clients sign off. Set up the scope change request template for handling new requests, and establish a clear process for evaluating then pricing changes. What makes this powerful is that it transforms awkward conversations into a standard process. Instead of saying no to clients, you're saying yeah, and here's how we can accommodate that properly. This approach has helped me reduce my scope creep by about 58% while actually increasing my revenue by about 1/3. Now, let's put these three systems together into a complete expectation management workflow. Start with the project command center to create visibility, then layer in proactive communication to stay ahead of questions. Finally, implement the scope force fields to handle changes professionally. The magic happens when these systems work together. Clients feel informed and involved without being overwhelmed, and you have clear boundaries that protect your time and profitability. Look, managing client expectations isn't about saying no. It's about creating clarity that makes the no unnecessary. With SuperOK's transparent dashboards, proactive communication, and scope management tools, you can transform client relationships from constant negotiation to true partnership. Click the link in the description to check out SuperOK's expectation management features. Your sanity and your profit margins will thank you. If you found this video helpful, hit subscribe for more agency growth strategies and drop a comment with your biggest client expectation challenge. Thanks for watching.